Initiation accumulation pump model for the Mega USDT trading pair. All right, guys, I highly recommend you just watch this video till the end because in this video I will show you the zone of interest for the Mega, and most likely in the next maybe in a few weeks you will see the price in that zone. So for the tokens after listing, yes, you'll be surprised, but we need only one daily candle close to determine the next upcoming zones, for this token. It's not of course the 100% win rate strategy, but you can open the charts of all coins which listed zone 22, zone 25, for example, and take a look how it played out. So I built the indicator for it, so now you don't need to mark that zones manually with my custom feed. So everything what you need, just go to description below, find the link to this indicator, crypto light initiation accumulation pump model, and just turn on. Highly recommend it all the time. Find the tokens. Find the token with the lowest listing price to reduce the risk and wait the best entry. All right, so for Mega, lowest listing price is on a MegaETH. So 0.01 and the 5. On other exchanges, you can find it, for example, on the Binance is 5 cents. So it's a huge difference. It's 300%, for example. And that's why highly recommend you find the lowest one. On this one on KuCoin, it's even 9 cents. That's why it's not all the time the MegaETH lists the lowest price. Always double check from the exchange to exchange. So here on the HTX, it's 2 cents. So we go back to the MegaETH here and turn on the indicator. This is a magic. So this is the zones, guys. Highly recommend you just read the description about this indicator or check the tutorial how to work with this indicator. So link will be also on the description below. So this is the first zone of interest. This is the second zone of interest. Believe it or not, but most likely in the next upcoming weeks, we come back to these zones. Red one, it's a zone of distribution where we need to take the profit from these swing trades. Can we go like this one, unstoppable move up? Yes, of course, guys, absolutely everything possible. But you can open the chart of Celestia, for example. So we formed that correction to 23. After that, skyrocket like this one and crash it down. That's why work with own money management and the risk management. Because, for example, a lot of people made a mistake. They buying by hype. Now you can see the Mega after listing in top gainers on the Binance, for example, 200% in the day. People think, oh yes, we're going higher. We go to the moon because it's just the beginning, it's just a fresh new token. But usually the people who get allocation from these tokens, they start dumping the price. All right. So for example, if you're not ready to see that drop 40% down, just 40% down to the first zone of interest, just better skip this token. And only here, only this block, at this block, at this block, at this block, you can buy with a DCA. Invalidation of this idea, it's a drop to the invalidation level. So it's a listing price. All right. What you can do also, if you don't need it, for example, some levels, you can just turn off or just not show the field zones. All right. So we can drop in the next upcoming days to the 9 cents. Now it's 15.33. So 9 cents 9 cents 09, 7 cents 3, 4 cents 75, 3 cents 62. So this is a zone of interest. This is a zone of take profit, and most likely we will see something like this one if you want to buy here for the spot. For the futures, of course, you can use the same zones and just use the proper stop loss. So this is a take profit. So if we drop to the best zone to buy, it's going to be 300%. If we drop even here, it's 437, around the 500%. Everything what is about this 21 cent on the MegaETH is just an open space. Open space. Nobody know where this token will stop. That's why also not recommended to open the short position here, because it can be even this move and we can't know where the token will stop. So guys, listen please carefully, and we'll come back again to this video in the next upcoming days or the weeks. All right, so only here also, if you're a fan of DCA and you believe in this project, you want to accumulate it, only here you can start accumulated. So like 9, 7, 4, 3. Average entry could be like 5 with realistic understanding, so we can drop an invalidated idea just in case. What to do if we invalidate the idea? These zones will be like resistance. You can open the Starknet, for example. We trade it here, so the zone going to be the resistance. Let's take a look with the other indicators on a smaller time frames. You know what's going on now with the token after listing. So we're going back to the 4 hours time frame. Highly recommend you just use this set because it's give you a lot of additional data for analysis. Even this one, just amazing one. It's a dashboard all in one place. All indicators show you the different data, so you can adjust the time frame what you're looking for, and take a look at the data all in one place. Save the screen space. Right, 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. This is accumulation on ADZ. That's why, guys, by middle of the May, I will not surprise if the Mega will go higher. But in summer, I'm more than sure we will see that zone. So just in case. This is a accumulation on ADZ, only one indicator on 1 hour time frame. Direction without a data. All right, market smooth. This is a after leasing, guys. Usually, it's not a good idea to buy the tokens after leasing. So let's hide the intention accumulation pump model and go back to the small time frames. Money power, market smooth. Market mode I showed you. Even on 30 minutes time frame, it's a here. What do you need to see on the chart on 4 hours time frame, 12 time frame, daily time frame? This belief, this one, and money inflow. How it works? For example, this is the money in, this one money in. We drop a little bit like 5%. After that, a pump 12. To the money outflow. This one. This was every side. There's the warranty. This is the money in. We drop. And now I'm more than sure we go firstly higher. And after that, going down into distribution. This is a optimism hopium zone on a market mode. 30 minutes time frame, no money inflow like you can see, and a on charts. We can close this one. 2 less indicators, trade on. And 15-minute time frame, 30 minutes time frame, no data. Here was like buy, recommendation, close position. All right. And the last one, it's a take profit. 15 minutes time frame, no data. Here, 5 minutes time frame. The buy line for this token is 10 cents, 79. And the fundamental value, but it's only on a 5 minutes time frame. It's a fundamental value around 8 cents. Take profit line is 21.43. Exit line is 24.21. So guys, of course, now looks like not enough data for analysis, and people all the time laughing like, oh, what are you talking about? It's unreal to predict the price zones, you know, only with one daily candle close. Guys, you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised in the next upcoming weeks because you can open the hundreds, not even dozens, hundreds of charts and find how this model works. So guys, we come back to this video later. I hope, of course, this token will go higher firstly, but summer, usually it's a low volatile, and usually it is sell time by seasons. And after that, this move, I think we're going to stop in zone of interest. Right, please in the comment what you think about Omega. If you like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, is right, Miriam. Don't forget your Mategam channel. See you next time, guys.